Okay, so if you are a Nothing user, you must watch this video. We all know NothingOS is best known for its clean, minimal user interface, which focus on being bloatware free, and it also offers very good customizable experience with the things like Nothing Widgets. But in this video, we'll talk about something new for your Nothing phones and which can give you great option to customize the widgets. Along with that, you'll also get around 130 plus stunning widgets which can be easily applied on your Nothing phones. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here on the table, I have two phones to compare. Towards the left hand side, we have Nothing Phone 1 and towards the right hand side, we have Nothing Phone 2. On Nothing Phone 2, if you see our homepage, you can clearly see a difference and some unique widgets. You can also play the games like Tic-Tac-Toe and even the Snake game. So you just need an application called Nothing Widgets Pro. This application was released yesterday. And guys, it's not a free application, but I'll try my best to arrange few promotional codes for you guys so that you guys can try this application without paying for it. So here in the application itself, we do have the option to contact developer. I'll just tap on it and let me frame a message requesting for few promo codes. I personally did a purchase of this application. I think yesterday the pricing was somewhere around 90 rupees. Okay, so here you can see we have drafted a mail. We'll wait for their response. Once I get the response, I'll share all the promotional codes on our Instagram page. You just have to make sure you follow us so that soon I get the promotional codes, you get to know about our post. And also guys, now before moving ahead, we have around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And now let's talk about this application. So if you install this application, the widgets won't appear like how we have the Nothing stock widgets. So if you go to widget section, you can see we have the Nothing stock widgets. To access or to apply these widgets, you need to have access to the application itself. So here you can see we have the application called Nothing Widgets Pro, and this is the settings page where you can enable material theming part or you can disable that. And if you slide towards the right hand side, you can see we have a lot of widgets which also includes things like applications. I'll talk about all the widgets. Then sliding towards the right hand side, we do have a set of wallpapers. You have here around 32 wallpapers which you can download on your device, or you can just directly tap on this icon to apply on home screen, lock screen, or on both. So now let's talk about the widgets and let's compare few of them with the stock widgets. So first we have the battery widget. On the stock one, you can see we have only 2 widgets options, but here we have in total 4 widgets including a stock one also. But other than that, you can see we have 3 more widgets, 1 vertical shaped and 2 horizontal shaped. We also have a calendar widget, unlike stock one where we have this date widget, and that too also we have only 1 option. But here if you open the calendar widget, you can see we have so many widgets option present here. If you want, you can set a full calendar which will show you all the dates, and the current date will be highlighted with red. I personally like this widget which I have applied on the screen, and this is how it looks, far better than the stock one. Then if you take a look at the clock widgets, here you can see how many options we have for the clock widgets too, including the lock screen clock styles which were recently added on NothingOS 3.0. And you can see how nicely you can customize your home screen using these widgets. And for the games, you can see we have in total 4 games, including Tic-Tac-Toe, Snake, etc. For the music also, you can see we have 3 different widgets, and this one is my favorite one. And if I play music, this is how it looks. We get to see slide shades on the thumbnail of that particular song, and you have options like, with a single tap you can play or pause the video. After that, you also have 2 options to switch to next track and go back to the previous one. And here you can see soon I move the song little forward. Here also you can see changes in the progress bar. So according to the song, the progress bar also gets changed here in this circular pill. And talking about the notes widget, I personally like the notes widget of this Pro application. And this is how it looks once you apply on the home screen. Here you can see I have the notes. If I tap on it, I can add a new note. Towards the bottom side are the notes which I have already added. Under others, we have few widgets which includes next event, holidays. You can add things like owner name, device name, storage, recording, and this is how it looks on the home screen. So here I have applied those 3 widgets which includes the owner name, device name, and the storage widget. For the pedometer also we have additional widget which is a simple one. Then for the photos we have multiple widgets and including a larger one. So this is how it looks. Now here I can enable black and white background, select the photos. You can also select the frame based on the widget. And here if you see for the quick setting widgets, we have a lot of options available. There are also 2 widgets for the quotes and facts. And for the search engine also we have some widgets which you can see here, and I have already applied on the screen, which is my favorite one. And at last you can take a look at the weather widgets too. So you guys let me know, did you guys like the widget option provided by this application called Nothing Widgets Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are the one who have already purchased, then share your home screen. I'll be sharing mine on the Twitter, and that link can be found in the description below. So guys, this was all about this application. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.